The American economy stands at a crossroads. Some advocate for a great American manufacturing comeback, believing it is key to national prosperity. They argue for a return to the days when factories were the backbone of the economy. Others counter that a service-based economy driven by innovation and knowledge is the path to future growth. This debate is central to America's economic future. Proponents of a manufacturing revival, like Vice President J.D. Vance, highlight its historical significance. Manufacturing, they argue, once provided millions of well-paying jobs, strengthening the middle class. They believe a resurgence in manufacturing is vital to restoring American economic dominance. They point to the decline in manufacturing jobs and the rise of trade deficits as evidence of the need for a course correction. Supporters of a manufacturing comeback emphasize job creation. They view manufacturing jobs as stable and well-paying, offering a pathway to the middle class. Moreover, they argue that a strong manufacturing base is crucial for national security. Relying on other countries for essential goods, they warn, makes the United States vulnerable in times of crisis. However, proponents of a service-based economy like myself view manufacturing's heyday as a bygone era. They argue that the service sector, encompassing everything from finance and technology to healthcare and education, is the true driver of modern economies. They point to the high-value jobs and innovation generated by the service sector as proof of its importance. Section 5. Innovation and Specialization, Strengths of a Service Economy. Advocates of a service-based economy highlight its ability to foster innovation and specialization. They argue that the service sector is more adaptable to technological advancements and changing consumer demands. They believe that focusing on education, research, and development in high-growth service industries will lead to greater prosperity. Section 6. Examples of thriving manufacturing and service economies. Both sides point to real-world examples to support their arguments. Germany, with its strong manufacturing base, enjoys a robust economy. Japan, renowned for its automotive industry, demonstrates the benefits of manufacturing prowess. On the other hand, countries like Singapore and Switzerland, with their thriving service sectors, boast high standards of living and economic competitiveness. Section 7. The potential pitfalls of both models. However, both models have potential downsides. An over-reliance on manufacturing can leave a country vulnerable to automation and global competition. Conversely, a service-based economy can lead to income inequality and a shrinking middle class if not managed carefully. Section 8. A balanced approach. The need for both sectors. The reality is that a healthy economy requires a balance between manufacturing and services. Manufacturing provides essential goods and supports innovation in areas like advanced materials and robotics. The service sector drives growth, creates high-skilled jobs, and fosters innovation in fields like software and biotechnology. Section 9. Conclusion: Navigating the future of the American economy. The debate over manufacturing versus services is not about choosing one over the other. It's about finding the right balance for a prosperous future. The challenge for policymakers is to create an environment where both sectors can thrive, ensuring a strong middle class, national security, and a competitive edge in the global economy. The future of the American economy hinges on making smart choices that leverage the strengths of both manufacturing and services.